everyone. Today we're going to answer a very important question. How important is prior academic performance for admission into an IIM? How important are your 10th class marks, your 12th class marks? How important is work experience for admission into an IIM? Now, why does this question become important, guys? Is because of this reason. There are a lot of myths which are circulating about admission into an IIM. आपने सुना होगा, आपको भी कहा गया होगा कि guys, अगर आपके 10th class के marks अच्छे नहीं है, you don't have a great, you don't have a 90% in 10th class, you're not an ICSC pass out in 10th class, you do not have work experience, you're a fresher, on top of that you're a fresher from a non-engineering background, तो आपके तो कोई chances नहीं है of IIM. I'm sure all of you have heard of this, correct? You've heard students tell you this, you've heard various मतलब pass out students tell you this, but guys ये सही नहीं है. There are a lot of myths in the market when it comes to an admission into an IIM, and these are some of the myths. Excellent academic performance is mandatory. No, they are not mandatory. Now, guys, मैं आपको बोल दूंगी it's not mandatory. आप मेरा विश्वास कर लोगे? No, right? I'm going to prove this with the help of statistics. So हम लोग statistics देखेंगे, हम लोग selection criteria के parameters देखेंगे to know whether this is true or false. Work experience is mandatory. अरे मैं तो fresher हूँ, मेरा क्या होगा? Difficult for a fresher to get admission? Not at all. CAT cutoffs are very high. अरे CAT cutoffs भी नहीं मीट होंगे, previous academic performance भी बुरी है, प्रोफाइल भी अच्छी नहीं है, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं है, ऊपर से मैं नॉन इंजीनियर. अरे मेरी तो मतलब I have no chance, I have 0% chance of getting into an IIM. No, if this is what you're thinking, guys, these are all myths, and I'm here to debunk these myths. Weightage given to controllables is less. Now, what are controllables? Now, let's have a look at this, guys, और आपके सारे questions को answer करते हैं. Now, guys, what are controllables? So these are, guys, controllables वो होते हैं जो अभी हमारे control में है. Something that you can work on still. मतलब आप, can you change, guys, can you change your 10th class marks now? No. Can you change your 12th class marks now? नहीं कर सकते अब आप. You cannot go back in time and change them. Gender diversity. अरे अब gender diversity कैसे? अब वो हमारे हाथ में थोड़ी है. Right? Can you change your work experience? No, guys, now you cannot do that. So if your aim is CAT 2021, controllables are those which are still in your control, which you can still work on, which you can still do something about, which you can still change. What are those controllables? Those controllables are your CAT scores. मेन तो कंट्रोलेबल यही है, हमारा CAT स्कोर मेन कंट्रोलेबल है हमारा. उसके बाद it is your performance in GD, it is your performance in PI, it is your performance in WAT, and to a certain extent profile जो हम अभी से थोड़ा सा build up कर सकते हैं to make sure that our chances for selection in these IIMs is more or less our seat is secured. So guys, CAT score and GDPI and WAT, this is something that we can work on. So let's see how much emphasis is given. Now guys, weightage of CAT score for getting an interview shortlist. आपको interview के लिए call 100% आपके CAT score के basis पे 11 IIMs will call you for interview only on the basis of your CAT score. IIM Rohtak, Trichy, Udaipur, Kashipur, Raipur, Ranchi, Shillong, Bodh Gaya, Sambalpur, Jammu and Sirmaur. They will call you only on the basis of your CAT score, not your 10th, not your 12th, not your work experience. No, they're going to call you only on the basis of your CAT score. पर आप बोलोगे मैम ये तो ठीक है 100%, हाँ ये अच्छा है, IIM शिलोंग तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, very happy to hear this. But what about ma'am, I don't want new IIMs, I don't want baby IIMs. मेरे को तो मतलब वो blacklist, Bangalore, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Calcutta वही चाहिए. So guys, Ahmedabad and Lucknow, 60 to 80% weightage to your CAT score alone. IIM Bangalore, Calcutta, Kozhikode, 40 to 60% weightage. But guys, understand this, CAT score को 80% तक weightage देता है IIM Ahmedabad in your selection, and 100% weightage is given to your CAT score by these 11 IIMs. So if you only focus on your CAT performance and your CAT score, you're sure to get a call from IIMs. अगर आप 95 percentile ले आते हो तो ये 11 IIMs आपको जरूर call देंगे. What about academic performance? 0% weightage to our academic performance in the final shortlist by Calcutta, Kozhikode, Shillong. Shillong, guys, एक exceptional case है. 100% controllables को weightage देता है. No work experience, no academic performance, nothing. CAT score, performance कर लो उनके written ability test और उनके selection rounds में, you're into Shillong. So 0% weightage, guys. Calcutta does not give you any weightage to your academic. It does not give any weightage to academic performance in the final shortlist. 12 was the top IIMs. Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Trichy, Udaipur, Kashipur. They give only 15% weightage, guys. 5 se leke 15% weightage. So out of 20 IIMs, guys, what is the gist of these statistics? What is our takeaway? Out of 20, guys, 16 IIMs. 12 plus 4, 16 IIMs. 16 IIMs, guys. I'm basically saying कि आपको मतलब जो generally students के नजर में होते हैं कि ठीक है, I definitely want to get into these 2021 IIMs. So guys, 16 IIMs are giving weightage less than 15% weightage, less than 15% weightage to your academic performance. That means if your performance is not that great, nothing to worry about now, guys. 10th में ही नहीं सोचा आपने इतना, अब इतना मत सोचो. Focus on the CAT performance. Controllables. IIM Shillong gives 100% weightage. अभी से आप पढ़ाई शुरू कर दो, अभी से आप preparation शुरू कर दो, IIM Shillong की सीट पक्की है. Because 100% weightage to controllables. 80 to उसे 8% कम. 99% weightage is given by IIM Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Lucknow, and your final selection only on controllables, only on CAT score, GDPI. So guys, agar next time someone tells you that no boss, you do not have a chance to get into an IIM, you tell them पहले जाके selection criteria देखो. Okay, I'm working on my CAT score, I'm working on my GDPI and written ability test, and I will get in. So guys, we have to start working on this part. तो उसके लिए I want everybody to join the daily live sessions, guys. जो हमारे daily live sessions होते हैं उनको attend करो. Okay, I meet you daily live, guys, at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. special class में I meet you daily live at 5 p.m. I meet you on YouTube. Special classes को attend करो. What are special classes? Special classes are free classes on the Unacademy Learning App. Unacademy Learning App पे free special classes. All you have to do is just download the app, guys, and use the code Ritu MBA and just unlock the free plan. Test those special classes. Though I meet you daily at 8 p.m. I'm starting a 200 plus question ka para jumble series. Join in every day. 10% off your plus subscription, guys. अभी से बैच ज्वाइन करो. Don't think कि मैं इधर से थोड़ा उठा लूंगा, इधर से I will prepare little. अरे कोई मुझे ये PDF दे दो, इस Telegram group से I will get this PDF. No, take one source, guys, and complete it fully, and then you should see the difference in your marks and the difference in your performance. So I want all of you to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, the best educators, batches, all guys, all year round, all day long. Just you have to enroll using the code Ritu MBA. Recorded sessions देख सकते हो आप, उनकी live classes attend कर सकते हो, material download कर सकते हो, all just by using the code Ritu MBA. Take the plus subscription, guys, and see the difference, and this will be you. You will be on this wall. Enroll now. Batches are in full swing. All you have to do is use the code Ritu MBA and get 10% off. So see you soon, guys, on the Unacademy Learning App and in the daily live sessions on CAT Daily at 5 p.m. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.